Partners in Health Engage is a student-led organization that works for global health equity through advocacy, fundraising, and community building and education. It has its roots in Partners in Health, the organization founded by Dr. Paul Farmer that works for global health equity around the world. The organization has lots of health-related events that students can get involved in on campus. And this week, I sat down with some of the team leads from Trinity chapter of Partners in Health Engage to learn more.
My name is Imran Khan. I'm the team coordinator of the Trinity University chapter of Partners in Health Engage.
Hi, I'm Neha. I'm the advocacy lead.
Amito Singh. I'm the fundraising lead.
So my name is Kian Jimmy Fan, and I'm the community building and education lead.
Why did you get involved in Partners in Health Engage?
Yeah, I'm personally really interested in health policy and how various stakeholders, be it politicians or grassroots activists, move health delivery here in the United States. And we started this organization in the spring of 2020, and so health policy was in a really interesting place. And I thought Partners in Health Engage would be a really cool way of being involved both in my community and sort of serving underrepresented groups while also pursuing an interest and passion of mine as well.
Giving back and working in global health has always been a passion of mine, and I think more of the time getting funds for the people that are less fortunate than us is very, very, very important, and it's just something I've always wanted to do, especially in the global health world.
I got involved in Partners in Health Engage because I'm really interested in social justice and medicine and just like how they cross, and both my parents are refugees, and like global health initiatives help them get to where we are today.
Well, it was after I took a class with Dr. Montoya and I did a reading on structural violence and kind of the ways in which society makes people sick. Kind of got me thinking about my own experiences with like my family and access to medicine. And it really got started for me after my grandfather passed away from COVID, and we had all these resources that we used to try to keep him healthy, and we couldn't. It made me think, like most people around the world wouldn't have these resources. And so that's really what motivated me to finally start up a chapter of Partners in Health Engage, is kind of fighting those inequalities.
What activities does Partners in Health Engage have that Trinity students can get involved in?
So we do a lot.
So currently we're fundraising for the Maternal Center of Excellence in Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone historically has had the highest maternal mortality rate in the world. Approximately 1 in 17 mothers die during childbirth or during pregnancy. So what this hospital is going to do is it's going to help set up a proper facility that's clean and healthy, and it's also going to help train new health professionals within Sierra Leone. Well, right now we're doing a lot of personal fundraising, so if you see anyone wearing the Partners Health t-shirt, or if you know someone in Partners in Health, go ahead and talk to them and they'll talk to you on how you can fundraise with us.
So this semester we're planning on having a guest speaker during National Public Health Week. We're also planning to show a screening of Bending the Arc, and we'll also have more global health discussions. In the global health curriculum discussions, we talk about healthcare access and equity, social justice, and healthcare delivery, and how Partners in Health has been able to overcome a lot of barriers in delivering equal healthcare.
This semester we're really going to focus on building funding through the appropriation cycle. So that basically means making sure that accounts that relate to support for malaria and HIV/AIDS, nutrition, maternal health receive funding from the U.S. government to continue to treat these often really devastating diseases. So that's our main focus, and the way that we do this is we organize meetings with members of Congress, and we fill out appropriations forms, and we also publish writing in the form of letters to the editor in local papers. So far we've been working with San Antonio Express News, so it's a very fast-paced sort of work. So if you're interested at all, there are going to be plenty of opportunities to be involved.